So in here, a 4 brand new Rogue alloy CC1s with a 245 75 R16 BF Goodrich tyre ready to go. We have the lift kit ready to be fitted, and there are all the bolts and stuff like that, locking nuts for the wheels and tyres. So they will all be going on today, along with this 3-inch lift kit supplied by Mule Vans. We're having the lift kit fitted, so just dropped the van off. It's going to be in all day till about 5 o'clock. We had a van yesterday lifted as well, that was back about 5. So my wheels are in here, they're going to kindly fit them for me. They're obviously going to do the lift kit and everything else, so fingers crossed it should look a beast by the time it comes back. Not going to be able to film the process for you guys and all that sort of stuff. That's how it is, I'm afraid, because obviously it's a workshop mechanics. They're going to strip everything out, all the subframe and all that sort of stuff, so me getting in the way of filming is just going to be not right for them. Leave these guys to get some work, so hopefully by 5 o'clock tonight we'll have a bit of footage for you of the van with its lift. So we'll see you in a bit. So these are coming off. Goodbye old Steelies. And this will be up here probably by later. Yeah, it's going to be massive. Their standard size 16-inch alloys supplied by Rogue Alloy. However, on a standard van without lift kit, you can go 225 75 R16, but with the lift kit you can put a 245 75 R16, so there's enough room around the edges with the lift and all that sort of stuff, and it gives, with the lift, overall 5 inches of lift.
Right, this is your front sumo spring. So what it has to do, you've got your deeper section here, and your narrow section at the top. So you've got to feed it into your spring here, which is pretty easy. Slide it round like that, pushing your thumbs up, kneading it in like that, till it's like that. Yeah, it's as easy as that.
But this part here is called a sumo spring, and this, kindly donated by a friend who is no longer going to use them, slides into the spring and adds that little bit extra cushioning between the spring for the more overland look and all that sort of stuff. So they're front sumo springs, so they're all fitted. They're good to go now, so hopefully gonna make a massive difference to the van while driving. We shall see. Which are rear sumo springs. These are the heavy duty version, up to a payload of 1250 kg, I believe it is. Again, kindly donated by a friend who wasn't using it. These are not cheap, by the way. So these replace the original bump stops, which are probably about 3/4 to a half of this size. So these will go on the rears. I did try and do them today at work, but the wheels, I haven't got a breaker to get the bolts off the rear wheels, so I had jacked it up to try and fit these, but that's gonna have to be done by someone else, or I'll order a breaker. But that will make a massive difference again for the overland look and all that sort of stuff. So when we're in Scotland or wherever, I'll make a massive difference. So hopefully we'll get them done soon. I want to try and get them done soon because I'm off to Scotland for a week to go and explore, which is going to be pretty cool. Other little things, I've just had to do a tweak of the handbrake cable underneath the van after it had the lift kit fitted. It just became a little bit loose because I had rear discs and new pads all on the back, so they've probably bedded in. The cable came a bit loose, so tightened that up today. What else have we got coming? Up here I had some old tiling skirt above the door, so all I've done is bought some aluminium J channel. So I'm going to take that off, clean that up, get this J channel cut to the right size, get it powder coated, seal that, and then taper screw it on, so that adds a proper, more clean rain gutter above the side door. And then the final part, obviously I wouldn't be packed the van and go without, I've been sent this 4K drone. So I am going to go to Scotland and give this bad boy a run for its money. That's Archie agreeing with me. So we're going to take that drone to Scotland. I'm going to give it a go. I'll give an honest feedback and review while I'm up in Scotland. I want to get some driving pictures of the van. Ignore the seagull shit on the back of the van. Ignore the side panels where they've been sanded. The side panels here, these at some stage, not before Scotland, will be Raptor painted. Just these panels here, both sides, and then possibly where's my arm, down here, these side skirts maybe Raptor, the bottoms as well. I've got the paint, I've got the thinners, I've got the paint gun. I just need the time, but yeah, we're slowly getting there. Anyway, hope you enjoy the lift kit, hope you enjoy the sumo springs. So on my suspension, basically, all that, I've had the lift kit by Mule, which has given me 3 inches. I've had the bigger tyres, 245 75 R16 BF Goodrich tyres with a Rogue Alloy CC1 wheel, which is then given overall about 5 inches of lift. We're having the Sumo springs, which we've done to the front. We're having Sumo springs to the rear. We have double leaf springs already on the back of the boob van. Already got them in place, and then one final job to do. You can't see them, the shocks there. We're going to replace them with a more heavy duty type shock for overlanding. Archie agrees again. So yeah, there we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in Scotland soon. Take care. Bye bye.